Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on solved problems in marginal costing for the subject Management Accounting. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. Now we move on to how to calculate BEP, that is break-even point. Break-even analysis, it can be called otherwise as cost volume profit analysis. Now the problem says the fixed expenses of an industrial concern amount to rupees 1,80,000. Its variable cost per unit is rupees 29 and selling price is rupees 44 per unit. Calculate the break-even point. Contribution per unit is equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Hope in my previous videos I have given the formulas. So here we have 44 rupees minus rupees 29. You get rupees 15 as contribution per unit. Next, PV ratio. PV ratio we calculated as contribution by sales into 100. That is rupees. So contribution already we have found out rupees 14 and the sales is rupees 44. Selling price per unit they have given into 100 is equal to 34. 34 percentage approximately. So now we have break-even point in units. There are two formulas. When the break-even point is given in values, another formula. When the break-even point is given in units, it is fixed expenses divided by contribution per unit is equal to 1,80,000 divided by 15. So is equal to 12,000 units. So another formula, break-even point in rupees is equal to fixed expenses divided by PV ratio. It's equal to rupees 1,80,000 divided by 15 by 44, or in the reverse 1,80,000 into 44 divided by 15 is equal to rupees 5,28,000. We get the answer as. One small, this is whenever the PV ratio is not obtained as a round figure, using the resultant percentage can cause difference due to fractions. So for the above example, in the above illustration, BEP is equal to fixed cost divided by profit volume is equal to 1,80,000 divided by 34 percentage is equal to 5,29,412. So the difference is 5,29,412 minus 5,28,000 is equal to 1,412. In all such cases, it is better to use the actual numerator and denominator as are used above, that is 15 by 44, to get exact figures. Now we would move to the next problem. As from the following data, calculate PV ratio, variable cost and profit. The given informations are sales is equal to 80,000, fixed expenses is 15,000, break-even point is 50,000. Calculate PV ratio. Break-even point is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. So break-even point is given already, the value is 50,000 is equal to 15,000 divided by PV ratio. So PV ratio is equal to 15,000 divided by 50,000 is equal to 3 by 10 or 30 percentage. The next, calculation of variable costs. Contribution is equal to sales into profit volume is equal to 80,000 into 30 by 100 is equal to rupees 24,000 you get. Yeah. Next, variable cost is equal to sales minus contribution. 80,000 minus 24,000 is equal to rupees 56,000. Now calculation of profit. Contribution minus fixed cost. Here 24,000 minus 15,000 is equal to rupees 9,000. Hope you would understood the simple problems. Next we move on to problem which is for computation of, that is a cost volume profit analysis, where sales is equal to calculation of profit volume ratio, BEP and margin of safety, where sales is equal to 2 lakh, variable cost is 1,20,000, fixed cost is equal to 50,000, net profit is equal to 30,000. So already the formula which we know already is sales minus your marginal minus your variable cost, you will get contribution, minus your fixed cost, you will get profit. So here the same application is used. Sales value is 2 lakh, variable cost is 1,20,000, so you get a contribution of 80,000. Next, fixed cost, so deduct fixed cost from the contribution, you get profit is equal to 30,000. Now calculation of PV ratio, here you have contribution divided by sales into 100, 80,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is equal to 40%. Now break even point, fixed expenses divided by PV ratio, 50,000 divided by 40 into 100 is equal to rupees 1,25,000. Then margin of safety, sales minus break even sales is equal to 2 lakh minus 1,25,000, rupees 75,000 you have. Or one more way, profit divided by PV ratio, that also can be done, is equal to 30,000 divided by 40%, you get it as rupees 75,000. Anyway you can do it. Hope you would understood the problems relating to in marginal costing. Thank you. We would meet in the next video.